What's going down, everybody? Welcome back, guys. So check it out, dude. I just got back from the gym and I got some presents. Now, I want to go over two things. One thing caught me by surprise and I want to show y'all. It's actually the first time I'm dealing with it. And with that, drop down in the comments and let me know if anybody has ever installed ball joints like this. Now, with that, dude, we're going to jump into this real quick and get this over with. All right, man, so here it is, dude. Here's my control arm, upper control arm, ball joint, right? Looks good, bushings look good. I mean, we all know what an upper control arm is. So, one of the things I want to talk about, dude, is the way I got the packing. Look at this, dude. This is ridiculous, right? And then my ball joints are all open. My lower ball joints are all open. But this is the thing that caught me by surprise, fellas. So look at this. All right, let me set this thing down. I'm going to show y'all. Look at this. Look at that ball joint. Right? So, with that, man, I'm going to give y'all a good shot. So with that, dude, check it out, man. It looks like it's missing the boot. And I thought it was missing the boot. Now, I went back to the order slip that I had. And then I went back to Rock Auto and looked it up. So, this right here is the boot. And the way it's stated on the order slip is the boot is an integral, is a pre-installed integral dust boot for easier installation. So from what I'm getting from it, this is it. That's your dust boot. I've never seen nothing like that, guys. But we are going to go with it. So we wanted to make this short and sweet. I had to throw that in. I've never seen a lower ball joint look like that. Now, this weekend, we'll get out here. We'll get them replaced. We'll go through the full video. But I would love for y'all to drop down in the comments, guys, and let me know, dude. Have you ever installed or seen a ball joint that looked like this? And if you hadn't, guess what? We'll try it out and we'll see how well it works. So, with all of that, guys, keep living the dream. Doing your thing. Like and subscribe. Always hit your boy up with a comment. And we'll catch y'all this weekend.